Friends, the time to enjoy yourself is in the now, in the moment of whatever it is that you are trying to achieve. Whether you're cleaning the garage, raising a family, or going to work, it is your right to enjoy yourself.
Me just sit on the top, shame every dirty mouth where did a chat. Straight to God I'm winning, on the hills I'm chilling. Strong like me and feet pan spinach. You a bad like Guinness, yeah. Man a star, man a star, man a super. Man a star, man a star, man a super.
Welcome back to the vlog. What's up, guys? So it's night time now. It's pretty much the same day that I ended the previous vlog. Yeah, it's the same day. It's just nighttime and I'm fresh again. I decided to go ahead and rock red lippy again because, you know, I really like this red. It's the Milani liquid lipstick in a more number 5, I believe, and Devin really likes it and he's like, yo, wear red. So I'm like, why not? I don't wear it much because, you know, it's so easy to get comfortable with nude lippies, but I'm rocking red today. Hey, I've been really loving this wig from RPG here. I'm going to have to put a name in the description box, but I don't remember the name. But I recently reviewed this, you know, and it's really nice. Really, this is the wig, the same wig I wore for my competition. We're basically going to head out and just get drinks, you know. I think we're going to 100 and then I don't know where we might end up. You know, a lot of stuff always going on. That's one thing with Jamaica, like once a day and you want to go up on the road, like something always a going, whether it's a club or, you know, one of them little party vibes. It depends on you though, because not everybody go everywhere, but like if you want a real authentic dash out dancehall vibe, you know, a party is always going on. Like on Mondays they have Uptown Mondays, Tuesdays they have Bossy Tuesdays, Wednesdays I think you have Yeah Wednesdays, Thursdays you have Triple Thursdays, and I think something started happening at Skydweller, you know. Fridays you have something at Skydweller again. You have Fridays at the Devon. On Saturdays you have something at Skydweller again. What else you have? I'm pretty sure you have a lot more things going on Saturdays. On Sundays they have lit. So I went to all of them, but I didn't get to vlog all of them. Sunday gone. You have lit Sundays, wet Sundays, boom Sundays. Like that's 3 stuff. So like you definitely have places that can go. I'm putting it out there for all, you know, and a lot of people that reside abroad that are Jamaicans and into the whole vibrant lifestyle. When them come in, them want to know where the, you know, parties are at, because they want whole vibe. They want to understand, like, yeah. So yeah, and the parties I just named, it's like a mixture actually, you know. As I said, if you want dash out street dance vibe, you know, yeah. So yeah, so I don't know where we might end up tonight, but I'll definitely take you guys with me. Yeah, here at 100, guys. It's been a while since I've been around this side. Okay, guys, so that's a fail. Them lock, we reached too late. They're closed, so yeah, gotta find somewhere else to go. That's that.
me girl like Gwen Stefani.
You think I jumped up? Fuck some real and girl like Gwen Stefani. Close it down. It is a praise. Make it say I wanna reach that. Give me the happiness. Give me the happiness. It is a praise. this body. You and that. You not agree with this body. Oh, now, send me the woman look like Shabu. Fucking it, don't shut your parents. You don't want to watch your best. Watch it. Everybody energy. To jump, please. But you man now, yo, hold on, no. But me, I try to tell you now. You have to control the man here, though. Tell me, do not back me, let up. Jesus Christ. Don't go on your stop, Shelly, man. You can't leave it up on your stop, don't go up on your stop.
Morning time. We're here so tired.
Go jump on the iron bird, you see me?
Right? On the most of us so quick.
Them one and move trip there, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Quick and fast.
One at a move. Short trip.
I'm telling you, we got work right now.
Right? As him come off a plane. Remember, just go and watch Make Things Flow. I always tell you guys that. Just make things flow. Oh my gosh, guys, when I see how Petitesue this crazy this morning. Jeez. We actually went to Taboo Festive Tuesdays, but I don't know, so I can't vlog in at Taboo. Yeah, we went to that first. Never stayed that long, then we got Petitesue, and that was crazy. Yo, I buck up in one divinity and she was like, yo, me I'll wait for the vlog, yeah, don't be a wait for the vlog, yeah. I was like, and I myself, I said, me too. But yo, when we see the man them up in the tree. we got breakfast. So we drop in, and then after this, the man literally have to board the plane. So this is it. Eat. Then he leaves, and the next trip on a nasty. Yeah.
Love and respect when I do the food, so I really want them to go and stay real.
Cause when I know how I'ma grow up, it not sweet. One pants, one shoes, every day I'm used to beat. So now judge us a J Prince do it. Song a beat in the street, pagans are to leap. Power leap a door, we knock on them not open. But me give thanks to who close them. Because I you, me try harder. Me just tell you, say I you, me try harder. To all of the enemies to force them.